Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're talking about how to perfectly position hats, faces, or layered clothing in Roblox. So basically accessories. Open up the catalog avatar creator from the Roblox website or app. It's a free experience by 10UI and one of the most popular avatar editing tools on the platform. Once inside, your current avatar loads. To add or change accessories, tap the catalog icon, browse for hats, faces, hair, and more, and hit try on. So for example, you can press on currently wearing, and as you can see, you can purchase and wear multiple items in here. You can also browse different emotes that you can use to see how it's going to look like. So as you can see, I wore some kind of weird costume or something. We also have stores, as you can see, where you can purchase stuff. Right, so once inside, as you can see, your current avatar will load. To add or change accessories, you can tap the catalog. Now you can adjust positioning, you can tap the avatar editor or accessory adjuster panel, usually near the side or bottom of the UI. Right, so for example, you just press on this button right here, select it, you can adjust, as you can see, and transform the item. Would you like to keep within Roblox bounds? Yes. And now, as you can see, you can move these arrows in here to adjust easily up and down, etc. You can also actually remove these boundaries, right, and just make it super silly. For example, had to be super out of borders, out of bounds, and make it like on the very top of your head to actually make it flying or something. So yeah, basically just let your imagination go. Also, as you can see, you can position your body parts. As you can see, like this, you can turn your arms, your head as well. Just don't break it. As you can see, so yeah, it's a very nice editor. So this way you can apply or reset, or you can just, as you can see, press on this button and revert the changes. Maybe you've messed something up, you can just yeah, basically quit and do it again. So that's basically how it's done, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this and this tutorial was helpful. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, and I will see you soon in the next one.